Good morning students. Today I am continuing with the part second of chapter number 11 and the name of the chapter is perimeter and area. In my previous video, it means in part first, I told about the concept of area of rectangles and squares, and we also discussed about the perimeter and area in that video. So today I will tell something more about in this chapter. And today's topic is, we can say, triangle as part of rectangle. We can say triangle as a part of rectangle. So how can we will say this? So for example, this is a rectangle. A, B, C and D. So if we join B and D, so we can say in ABCD, this is a rectangle. We will get two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle BCD. So we can say the area of rectangle ABCD and the area of these two triangles both are equal, can we say? Or can we say triangle ABC and triangle BCD, their areas are equal, or they are congruent, or they are superimposed of each other? So how can we say these things? So for example, if we take their dimension as you can say this is your 8 centimeter and this is your 5 centimeter. If we take the measurement, then how can we say the area of rectangle ABCD is equivalent to area of these two triangles? Is it possible or not? So let me do this. So what we will do, area of rectangle. The formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length in this diagram is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. So we will put here 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter so that it becomes 40 centimeter square. Okay. Now one by one we will calculate the area of these two triangles. So what is the area of triangle? First we will discuss on that, and then we will see if we add both the area of these two triangles, it becomes 40 centimeter square or not. So first we will come to this point, area of triangle. Okay, we take any one of the triangle. So as per this diagram we can say area of triangle is half into area of rectangle. Okay, so area of triangle is half into, what is area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. So we can say area of triangle is half into length into breadth, right, as per this equation, right? So if we apply this formula here, so what it becomes, area of triangle ABC, this is what, half into area of rectangle, so this is half into length into breadth, so it becomes half into, what is the area of rectangle? 8 into 5, and when we will solve it, what we will get? We will get 20 centimeter square. It means the area of this portion, the first triangle, it means the area of first triangle, this is equal to 20 centimeter square. Now we will continue with the area of second triangle, that is BCD. So if this is 8 centimeter, again this is 8 centimeter. because we know very well this thing in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Same for breadth, this is again 5 centimeter. So if we solve the area of triangle BCD or second triangle, so again we will get the same thing, half into 8 into 5, and we will get 20 centimeters square, right? So as you see, the area of rectangle is 40 centimeters square, and if we add both these triangle areas, that is again becomes 20 plus 20 centimeters square. It means we can say area of triangle is half into area of rectangle. Okay. Same concept if we are taking a square, then what happens? So we can say for this procedure, we can say triangle as a part of rectangle. Okay, this is the concept. Now if we apply this concept on a square, then what happens? We are saying triangle is a part of square. So this is a square in which all the sides are equal, ABCD, and there are two diagonals. One is AC, another one is BD. So we can say there are four triangles. If you mark this as O, okay, we can say both the diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at point O. So at present AOD is one triangle, or you can say AOB is first triangle, this is the second triangle, this is the third one triangle, and this is the fourth triangle. So can we say in all these triangles, we can say triangle AOB, triangle BOC, triangle COD, and triangle AOD. Can we say these triangles are the part of this square? So definitely we can say this thing. Okay, and we can say these triangles is 1/4, or area of triangle, this is equal to 1/4 into area of a square. Right, because four parts are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's why we will write area of triangle equals to 1/4 into area of a square. If their dimensions are given to us, then definitely we will calculate very easily, because area of a square is side into side, we can say, and with the help of this concept we will easily calculate area of triangle. So we can say triangle as a part of rectangle as well as squares also. Okay. After this, we will come to on next concept. What is area of a triangle? What is area of a triangle? For example, if we are taking this type of a triangle, this is A, B and C, and this is 90 degrees. Okay, so we can say area of triangle ABC, this is equals to half into base into height. Here we can say AB is base and AC is height. Right, because this AC is perpendicular on base AB. Right, and base is represented by small b and height is represented by small h generally. So the area of triangle ABC in this case becomes half into b into h. H may be length also. H may be length also. So we can say AC is perpendicular on base AB. This is the symbol of perpendicular. So this is the concept of area of a triangle. So after this, we will come to on next point. What is area of parallelogram? So area of a parallelogram. This is the diagram of a parallelogram, and this is A, B, C and D. So can we say this parallelogram is equivalent to rectangle? So for what we will do? We will draw a perpendicular from D to AB. For example, this is E point, right? If we shift this triangle AAD from left side to right hand side, then what happened? It can be, we will make one more diagram. After cutting, if we paste here, it look like this. We can say it is your E, B, C, D, and here we can say this A, right? So it looks like this. This is your E, D, C, D, and A will lie here. Okay. So here ABCD is a parallelogram and ADB is a triangle in which this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, if we shift this triangle from this side to the another side, it looks like this. So it was ABCD is a parallelogram in this first diagram, and if we see here EACD is a rectangle. That's why we can say area of a parallelogram is equivalent to area of rectangle. So what is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, but in area of parallelogram, as we see, DE is perpendicular on AB. So what is AB? AB is base. And what is DE? DE is height, or we can say altitude also. Right. So in that case, we can say area of parallelogram is equivalent to area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So in this case, what is length? In this case, we can say length into breadth. So this time we can say it can be written as breadth into height. This is the formula of area of parallelogram. So we can say here base is AB and height is DE in this parallelogram. Okay. So area of parallelogram is equivalent to area of rectangle. So length into breadth will represent by breadth into height in area of parallelogram. So what is area of parallelogram and what is area of triangle? I hope with the help of these two concepts it is clear to all of you. And now I am continuing with some questions. Related with these two concepts. So now I am taking one question. This is a parallelogram. Okay. So if this is ABCD, then we can say DE is perpendicular on base AB. Right? DE is perpendicular on base AB. So the measurement or dimensions are this time 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then how can we calculate the area of the parallelogram? So definitely AE is perpendicular on base AB. So AB is base and DE is height, or we can say altitude. So how can we calculate the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram ABC. So area of parallelogram is basically base into height, or we can say this is equals to B into H. So what is base? Base is AB and the height is DE. Base is AB and height is DE. So when we will put the value, it is 7 centimeter into 4 centimeter, so that it becomes 28 centimeter square. So with the help of this concept, with the help of area of parallelogram, we will easily calculate the area of the given diagram. Now I am taking one more question that is related with the triangle concept. When dimensions are given to us, how can we will calculate the area of triangle? For example, the next diagram is, which is a triangle, right? A, B, C, and one perpendicular from C to base AB, right? This is CD. So we can say CD is perpendicular on base AB. So CD is what? CD is height or perpendicular. And what is AB? AB is base. And dimensions are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. It means we can say base is equivalent to 4 centimeter and height is equivalent to 3 centimeter. Because height and altitude both. So how can we calculate the area of triangle ABC in this case? So area of triangle ABC, this is equals to half into base into height. And height and altitude, or you can say length, all are same thing in this situation. So half into, what is base? Base is AB and the dimension of AB is 4 centimeter and height is CD and dimension of CD is 3 centimeter, and when you will solve it, so definitely you will get 6 centimeter square. Okay. So if we know the area of triangle ABC and area of parallelogram and the previous concept that is related with square and rectangle, then we will easily solve the question in which dimensions are given. So these are very simple questions related with area of triangle and area of parallelogram. So what happened if area and one dimension is given, then how can we will calculate the other dimension? For example, if area of parallelogram, this is equals to 246 centimeter square, right? And base of parallelogram, that is 20 centimeter. Then how can we will calculate height of the parallelogram? This is the question. So how can we will write? We will write area of parallelogram. This is equals to base into height. As per the concept, this is your 246 centimeter square. Base is 20 centimeter square. The height is not given. We have to calculate the height. How can we will calculate the height? We will divide 246 centimeter square by 20 centimeter. Centimeter cancel centimeter, and when we will solve it, what we will get? We will get 1, 2, 3 upon 10, right? And when we will solve it, we will get 12.3 centimeter. So this is the way when area and one dimension is given to us, then with the help of the concept we will easily calculate the value of other dimension. So I hope with the help of today's video you will complete the question which are related with the area of parallelogram and area of the triangle. Area of parallelogram is base into height and area of triangle is half into base into height. Then we can say with the help of these two, area of parallelogram and area of triangle, we can say area of triangle, this is half into area of parallelogram. This relation is also possible. So I hope you will do it very easily, and with the help of these two formula, area of parallelogram and area of triangle, you will complete the question which are related with the exercise 11.2. Thank you very much.